In this video, we are going to walk you through how to fit the ReAlign LSO Plus 639-651. To adjust the length of the belt, you will first remove these side panels. Then you will adjust from here the belt length by making it shorter or longer. After that's done, you reapply the lateral panels, and now you're ready to place on the patient. You will give the patient the front panel to hold. Just at the patient where it's snug against the patient. And your drawstring. To shorten the length of the drawstrings, you will take the cord winder and you can wind it through here. Now that the brace is applied and the cords are tightened, in the event of a cord being too long, you can adjust it by doing the cord winder to shorten or lengthen. In this case, we will shorten it. So it hits mid-abdomen.